Kilalanin natin ang official and final 12-man complete line-up ng Australian Boomers na makakaharap ng Gilas Pilipinas the second window of 2027 World Cup qualifiers. Point guards: Isaac White, 6'2", 187 pounds, 27 years old, 5.1 points, 1.7 rebounds, 1.8 assists, 0.2 steals, 33% three-point shooter, 64% free throw shooter in his 2025-2026 Australia NBL averages. Tom Wilson, 6'4", 170 pounds, 28 years old, 2.3 points, 1.3 rebounds, 0.6 assists, 0.3 steals, 26% three-point shooter, 75% free throw shooter in his 2025-2026 Australia NBL averages. Shooting guards: Rain Smith, 6'2", 190 pounds, 23 years old, 9.9 points, 2.1 rebounds, 1.3 assists, 0.6 steals, 35% three-point shooter, 94% free throw shooter in his 2025-2026 Australia NBL averages. Tanner Krebs, 6'6", 209 pounds, 30 years old, 8 points, 3.4 rebounds, 1 assist, 0.5 steals, 38% three-point shooter, 86% free throw shooter in his 2025-2026 Australia NBL averages. Elijah Pepper, 6'4", 200 pounds, 24 years old, 10.7 points, 3.2 rebounds, 1.7 assists, 1.1 steals, 33% three-point shooter, 87% free throw shooter in his 2025-2026 Australia NBL averages. Small forwards: Mitch Creek, 6'5", 225 pounds, 33 years old, 16.9 points, 3.9 rebounds, 2.4 assists, 0.9 steals, 49% three-point shooter, 84% free throw shooter in his 2025-2026 Adriatic Liga ABA averages. Cody Statman, 6'8", 201 pounds, 25 years old, 6.6 points, 2.3 rebounds, 1 assist, 0.4 steals, 30% three-point shooter, 84% free throw shooter in his 2025-2026 Australia NBL averages. Jack White, 6'7", 225 pounds, 28 years old, 9.9 points, 5.5 rebounds, 1.3 assists, 0.9 steals, 0.8 blocks, 41% three-point shooter, 54% free throw shooter in his 2025-2026 Australia NBL averages. Power forwards: Nick Kay, 6'9", 234 pounds, 33 years old, 16.6 points, 8.9 rebounds, 3.5 assists, 1.3 steals, 0.7 blocks, 38% three-point shooter, 83% free throw shooter in his 2025-2026 Japan B-League averages. David Okwera, 6'10", 198 pounds, 23 years old, 5.3 points, 3.2 rebounds, 1 assist, 0.3 steals, 35% three-point shooter, 70% free throw shooter in his 2025-2026 Australia NBL averages. Centers: Sam Froling, 7 feet, 240 pounds, 26 years old, 11.2 points, 6.8 rebounds, 2.4 assists, 0.2 blocks, 55 field goal percentage, 60% free throw shooter in his 2025-2026 Australia NBL averages. Jacob Holt, 6'10", 249 pounds, 22 years old, 9.3 points, 5.2 rebounds, 0.8 assists, 0.5 blocks, 27% three-point shooter, 67% free throw shooter in his 2025-2026 Australia NBL averages. Ito ang official and final 12-man complete lineup ng Australian Boomers na makakaharap ng Gilas Pilipinas ngayong second window ng 2027 World Cup qualifiers. Sa tingin niyo mga kababos, kaya bang talunin ng Gilas ang lineup na to ng Boomers? I-comment niyo na po yan sa baba.